class are learning how to add two two-digit numbers with regrouping, using place value blocks. Sten is looking at the calculation 34 add 47 and representing it with the blocks. Sten partitions the numbers into tens and ones.
34 has 3 tens and 4 ones, so we need 1, 2, 3 tens blocks and 1, 2, 3, 4 ones blocks. And 47 has 4 tens and 7 ones, so we need 1, 2, 3, 4 tens blocks and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones blocks.
Sten sets the blocks out in columns to make it easier to count them. Starting with the smallest place value, Sten counts the blocks. He counts how many ones there are in total.
There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 ones.
Sten knows that he can't have 11 in the ones column. The ones column should only go up to 9. He regroups 10 of the ones for one tens block. Sten moves the tens block over from the ones column into the tens column. Now, Sten adds the tens blocks to see how many he has in total, not forgetting to include the regrouped 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens and 1 makes 8 in total. 8 tens.
Now, Sten can read the number that the blocks represent.
8 tens and 1 is the number 81. 34 add 47 equals 81.
Sten has used partitioning and place value blocks to represent this calculation. Can you add the ones and tens to see what the answer should be? Remember to regroup any ones. First, Sten adds the ones.
There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 ones.
Then, Sten regroups.
10 ones are the same as 1 10.
Finally, Sten adds the tens.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the exchanged 1 equals 6. There are 6 tens and 1. 26 add 35 equals 61.
By partitioning the numbers into tens and ones and representing them with place value blocks, Sten has been able to add two two-digit numbers together using regrouping. Why not have a go at adding some two-digit numbers using regrouping like Sten?
Thanks for watching our video, everyone. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and ask your grown-ups to subscribe to our channel. We have lots more fun videos coming up.